I shorted the USCAD this morning at about 5:30 Pacific time, 8:30 Eastern time. This was during the announcement of the BOC, Bank of Canada. It was anticipated that they would raise interest rates, and they followed through with that, and hence the strengthening of the CAD. I chose to pair the CAD against the US dollar because the US dollar had been previously weakening due to falling yields, thus less of a demand for the American dollar. Also, there was some political problems in regards to Trump Jr. that caused a little bit of uncertainty, which also led to weakness in the US dollar. So it was a great pair, or the US dollar was a great currency to pair the CAD with, given the anticipated strength of the CAD. Now, again, I could have held it a little bit longer. I really need to be a little bit better prepared and maybe write things down as far as what my plan is. I made pips on this, but obviously not as much as I could. Now, within the first hour, it fell to the lowest support here. Some of this greater strength here is due to, again, a further lessening of the U.S. bond yields because of statements made by Yellen. So that couldn't really have been anticipated much. However, again, within the first hour, the CAD fell to the lowest support. I could have let half my trade run, and that was going to be one of the things that I was going to work towards improving. So I still have work to do. Okay, I did make money, but if I would have been a little bit better prepared, I probably could have collected quite a few more pips out of this. So we're looking at a difference between here and here. At any rate, I'm happy that I made money. I'm going to go back to the drawing board and, just like I said before, be a little bit more prepared before I take the trades. I'm reading reports, and I'm looking at different recommendations from various news reports and that, but I need to also develop a trade plan as far as what I'm going to follow through with. I've done well as far as deciding on what the best pairs are to trade based on previous strength and weakness of different currencies, but now I've got to again work on how far I'm going to set the target and not cashing out early. So as you can see here, where are we? Come on. There we go. Here's the expected rate, 0.25 increase, and this is the actual. So it was released as expected. And that was really anticipated by the markets. But there were positive statements that were made by Pelosi as well, the chairman of the Bank of Canada. So that's what added to the overall strength.